Hey guys, Adam here from DirectionTrader.com. Let's do today's mid-morning looking forward video here on the S&P. After that Monday down day, guys, that we've been talking so much about, the last couple of days we made videos on a retracement here, getting halfway back of that candle bar, and then possibly rolling back over towards that 1720 area that I see as the first main level of support. Today just kind of contradicted all of that. But in the good news, though, for the guys that were in the trading room this morning, and we talked about last night in the video, we were able to get long all morning, predominantly right from the get-go, right out of the open. I'm going to show you why here in just a second here on a 15-minute chart. But as you see here, this green box has been up since yesterday's video, since last week actually. But basically, once we got above that 54 area, I was looking to go long up until the 1770 area. If you go back to last night's video, I said if we get above them 53s, 54s, look for a pop up to the 1770 area. I know we haven't gotten up to the 70s yet, but we have come up to about the 66s, finding a little bit of resistance in there, which is to be expected. But ultimately, I am looking for this thing to go ahead and just kind of fizzle its way higher. For the remainder of the day. We've had extremely strong breadth indicators, extremely strong advanced decline indicators throughout the entire day, and I have some rules that say, hey, basically meets a few parameters. I can see this market just grinding higher for the remainder of the day for the most part. So basically that did happen. We got a pop above them 53s, 54s, and we're heading straight up towards them 70s. Now what do I see? I really am going to have a hard time continuing to buy this. We have some falling resistance coming down on top of it. We have some pretty key areas of resistance here at the 70s. Realistically, I can see this market kind of starting to roll over. Not going to be all too bearish until we can break through, them 54s that we just talked about, them Tuesday's highs. So I will kind of sit on my hands here to the downside until we can get down through them 54s. And then when that happens, if that happens, it'll be a good ride here back down to the 1720s in my opinion. So at this point, I am looking for this market to continue to slowly grind higher here. Right now it is 9:30 a.m. on the West Coast here, so about 12:30 Eastern. I do see this market coming up here, finding some resistance, and then slowly starting to roll back over here, and then eventually starting to get our push back to them 1720s that we've been talking about for the last few days. So I'd show you why I was going long today. Here's the 15-minute S&P market here. Basically, I never got long in the room until we get broke above these highs. Now these highs here come right about the 56s, and luckily for us, they actually broke through them levels right after the open. Right after the open, we got a push up here, broke through them 56s that we were looking that could hold this market. Once that wasn't able to hold, it was a free show for us all the way back to the upside here, all the way into our lunchtime doldrums. So that's predominantly the reason we were bullish, so bullish on the day. Plus, like I said, the indicators with the breadth and the advanced declines. Just been a very bullish day. Popped up above them 54s. It's been a straight shot up right up here to about the 66s. Looking to top out here around the 70s and then possibly start to drop again. So that's it for today, guys. If you have any questions, you can go ahead and email me, Adam@DirectionTrader.com. If not, have a good day. I'll see you tomorrow.